Having trouble adding your card to DoorDash? It's often due to billing address or zip code mismatches. DoorDash uses advanced verification systems with Stripe and Adyen to prevent fraud. Ensure your entered billing address exactly matches what's on file with your bank, including correct street names and zip code formatting. Even a missing hyphen can cause problems. Temporary holds, $1 to $5, are also placed to verify the card. These usually clear within 1 to 7 business days. Double-check all details, try a different browser or app version, and contact DoorDash support if issues persist. If still unresolved, contact your bank as the hold may be on their end. DoorDash verifies your card using AVS, the address verification system, a standard security protocol. Mismatched billing info flags the card for PCI DSS compliance, protecting against stolen cards. Zip code verification ensures geographic consistency, validated using strict format checks. When adding a card, DoorDash initiates a temporary pre-authorization hold to confirm validity. DoorDash's payment system is built on microservices, with machine learning for anomaly detection using tokenization and encryption for security. Digital wallets bypass AVS with biometric verification, reducing address issues. Maintain accurate card details to avoid problems, and consider using digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay for easier transactions.